song called The Golden Peacock. It's a Yiddish folk song based on a very, very old Yiddish poem. And it was put to music by many different people. This is a version by Chava Albertstein. And it's based on a tale of a new bride who's basically imprisoned in her mother-in-law's house and talks to the golden peacock, asking the peacock to come and rescue her, basically, from her mother-in-law.
I know that too.
You know that, right?
Is die goldene Farbe geflogen, geflogen, und die Nacht hat beendet die goldene Augen. Lehrte meine Schloss und die Nacht hat beendet die goldene Augen.